Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing video, and it is going to be two things, one from PINCHME and another one from BzzAgent. If you guys don't know what PINCHME is a website where you get free samples to try out. You don't have to do any surveys, you just have to review items that they send you, and it's free to sign up, so you don't have to pay for anything. It's completely free. And BzzAgent is the same thing. I will have both links in the description box so you guys could go check them out. So I will be unboxing PINCHME first. So they sent me this box right here. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. So it comes with a little card and it says your exclusive product trial starts now.
Please keep an eye out for a follow-up email from PINCHME with instructions on what to do next.
So that's what it looks like, and it has their social media right there if you guys want to go follow them. So let's see what I got this time. Whoa. So they sent me a full size of the Garnier Skin Active Water Rose Micellar Cleansing Water with rose water and glycerin, all in one, hydrating, removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates. This is pretty cool. I've always seen this at the store, but I've never bought it. But I'm super happy that I got it for free and I get to try it. I've never tried any micellar cleansing waters, so I'm super excited to try this out. Hopefully it works for me. So I will let you guys know how I like it. Okay, so that is everything that I received from PINCHME this month. Now on to BzzAgent. This time they just sent me a little envelope type of thing. So they sent me a paper telling me,
woohoo! Woohoo!
Your biscuit is here now. Please take your time using the product in your buzz kit and be thoughtful while considering how well it works. And yeah, it just tells me how to review it and all that good stuff. So let's see what they sent me. So this time they sent me one product, and it is the Revlon So Fierce Mascara. This is pretty cool. This is what it looks like. I've never tried this mascara before, unless this is new. Oh, it is new. So this mascara claims to extend, lift, volumize eyelashes. So that's pretty cool. And they sent me the shade Black 702. So I will not open it right now because I have a mascara that I'm almost done with. So I'll probably start this mascara next week and I will have a video on it. So if you guys want to see if it works, make sure you subscribe. And so yeah, that is everything that I got from BzzAgent and PINCHME. If you guys are interested in getting free samples, I will leave it in the description box. It is completely free to sign up. And so yeah, well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this
small, teeny tiny
unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.